light bulb still works, but it was wickedly cool before. All right, here we go. And I put it in a beaker, and I don't know if I'm getting the right sparking, so let's see. Let's see. Oh. That didn't work exactly as expected. It wasn't supposed to blow up. No. All right, so the light bulb shattered. Okay, we'll let that breathe over there. So the light bulb before did cooler stuff, but then it doesn't work. All right, so let's do a bag. So this is a sun chip bag here. Now how this works here is the reason why we're doing microwave demos. Let's preface that. Microwave is part of the electromagnetic spectrum. We looked at that yesterday. Okay? Microwave works by having a whole bunch of magnets here, and what we're doing is we're producing waves of a specific wavelength, which is a wavelength that is specific to causing water molecules to vibrate. Okay? If you get things that have some sort of potential difference, like metal objects that have a potential difference in here, we can get those sparks to jump as well and causing it to arc. So this is a bag. All right. Here. All right, here we go. Okay, there we go. Wait. Yeah. All right, let's do another one. So this is what's remaining of the bag. All right. Here's our second bag. These don't smell too good when they come out, kids. I couldn't remove the light. I really tried. I didn't want to spike it just to like break the light, but I couldn't find a way to remove the light bulb. So unfortunately, the light bulb has to be on. These are not good for the microwave. Don't do these at home. All right, here we go. Okay, that was pretty lame. Okay. At least the cookies in there were probably good. All right. What I'm going to do is a couple of CDs. Sorry, light bulb. You were good when it lasted. Should have used broken glass. Okay. So, you want this back?
Oh, that's so cool!
So now what I'm going to do is burn a couple of CDs. This burns it a lot quicker than your computer, which is nice. All right. Let's see if you could see this. Oh, I'll go there. All right. This is really the coolest one. All right, here we go. Can I move?
Yeah, let him still big.
Did you see it?
Yeah.
If you couldn't see it, you could get a little closer. It's less likely to shatter and explode.
Less likely.
So here is the burnt CD here. You can see this.
Oh, wow.
Kind of cool. Yeah, you can. There you go. Don't breathe it. Okay.
Can I see the other side?
All right, one more.
Oh, okay.
It smells really bad.
It smells really bad. All right, here we go.
It does.
You can see.
Alright, now put a bag of popcorn in there.
A bag of popcorn so you can eat it? Okay. Here we go, last one. Then we'll do a plasma demo maybe on Monday. Here we go. When I was talking to Mr. English, he told me of a demo that Mrs. Dow told him of, which I don't think we'll do, but it sounds really cool. It's where you take a thing of marshmallow goo and you put it in there, and only certain parts will cook in there, and from it you can calculate the wavelength of the microwave based on what parts of marshmallow goo cook. That sounds pretty cool. We'll see if that happens. All right, anyone want this one? Okay. There you go. It smells. All right.